Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. Let's start with the US market. Fantastic rally on yesterday in US market. The Dow Jones closed at 664 points positive. Nasdaq closed at 144 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 60 points positive. Now, at the time of recording, the the US future, the US 30 is showing a gap up opening of 47 points. So very flat. This rally that happened in US market yesterday was purely sponsored by upcoming Fed rate cut. So earlier people were expecting 40% of chance that the Fed will cut the interest rate, but now it has increased to 80%. So because of this, the market has rallied. So there is a 80% chance the street is expecting for the Fed to cut the interest rate. So let's see, the interest rate decision will be taken in December. So hardly we'll be having like a 2 to 3 weeks time. Now let's talk about FII and DII data. Yesterday, the foreign institutions bought close to 700 crores and domestic institutions, look at their number, they bought staggering 3,000 crores, close to 3,900 crores. So massive buying from local market. Now Asian markets are all trading flat to positive, mostly into positive. Now gold is now at $4,144, so it is now trading above and sustaining above $4,100. Now, at the point of recording, the SGX Nifty showing a gap up opening of 97 points, close to 100 points gap up. But let's see where the pre-market settles. Now, let's talk about very interesting Nifty and Bank Nifty. Even though we are opening above close to 26,000 levels, let's see. Around cost, I'm expecting close to 26,000, 25,980, 950. But whenever we have opened these levels, close to these levels, we have always seen profit booking, right? The market is facing difficult to sustain about 26,000 and closing about 26,100, 150. So now the support is emerging at 25,800 as usual based on open interest and technical too. Now the resistance is 26,000. So let's see, today we may open gap up, but sustaining gap up is the most important thing. So we can even see profit booking from higher levels, but let's see how it turns out. The dollar is obviously, the US INR is obviously opened stronger as compared to yesterday. Now the Bank Nifty closing at 58,820. Now the support is 58,800 and resistance now 59,200. Now as compared to Nifty, the Bank Nifty looks stronger. Yesterday Nifty fell close to 114 points. Look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty fell only about 52 to 53 points. I'm talking about future levels. So yes, Bank Nifty is holding its levels as compared to Nifty. Let's see how the market is. I'm expecting some profit booking from top levels, and we also have to wait for the India GDP rate. Most people are saying that it will be below 7%. Some are saying it will be 7 to 2%. Now, based on my analysis, I believe the GDP number will be above 7.7% and it will be close to 7.2, 7.3%. This is my analysis says. But on 20th of this month, November, the GDP number will be out. So let's see how the GDP number will turn out, and forward ahead of that we'll take our positions in the market. Now clearly I want to say I don't have any positions in the market whatsoever, not even bullish, not bearish. I'm staying neutral. I want to see how the market will react at higher levels. Remember, we are very close to all-time high, right? This is the perfect time to exit from your longs, and whenever we make new highs or whenever we become close to new highs, always there is some chance of profit booking. So let's see what happens close to new all-time high. If we see any profit booking or if we see some correction, then we will enter. We'll not enter in shorts, we'll enter in longs. Overall macroeconomic factors, we are super duper bullish in this market. Look at sector specific. FMCG has not even given any returns, very good returns, right? We had GST rate cuts, we have income tax rate cuts, all this thing, but still look at FMCG. FMCG has not even performed at all. So after whenever these type of events happen, let's say GST rate cut and income tax rate cut, we see the results after some time. So wait for 2 to 3 quarters. We definitely see growth in FMCG. I am super bullish in FMCG, PSUs, and all these things. Look at Geo Finance. I talked about Geo Finance. Geo Finance is available at mouth-watering levels. You cannot miss Geo Finance from your portfolio. It is a good buy. Now current market price is around 305, 306. Stop loss, keep stop loss of 295 available in futures. Go long in futures. I recommended you Reliance. Yesterday Reliance gave a fantastic move, right? So I remember I gave you Reliance at 1515. I told you to keep a stop loss of 1495 and go long in futures in Reliance. If you had taken, you would have made fantastic money. If you have not, then train has already left the station. All you can do is just wait for the next leg of up move. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.